Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a golden whisper ginger cloud cake. It's light, fluffy, and full of warm spice.
Right, Canada Dry, ginger light, Canada Dry, ginger light, golden bubbles, feeling right, soft and sweet, mellow glow, Canada Dry, take it slow. Ooh yeah. We're gonna whisper ginger cloud cake. Take a breath, take your time. We're moving smooth, we're doing it great. Up and on, oven warm, love in the room, no pressure at all. Turn the dial to 325. This is a cake that comes alive. Now let's start with the dry ingredients. Listen close. 2 cups on a range, all-purpose flour. 3/4 cup organic cane sugar. 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, aluminum free, keep it gentle. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, make it settle. 1 teaspoon ground ginger, warm and bold. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, sink and grow. Zest of 1 orange, don't skip that move. That secret chef touch sets the mood, be proof. Whiskey light, let it breathe. This ain't rush, this is ease. Every step is a rhythm, every bowl got a reason. 1 cup Canada Dry ginger ale. Room temperature, let it sail. 1/3 cup avocado oil. A light olive oil, keep it loyal. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, smooth and clean. 2 large eggs, room temp, please. 1 tablespoon, yes indeed. Fresh gin is 1 tablespoon, optional, but a leaf, take it there if you want to. Whisk it glossy, silky bright. This is where it starts feeling right. Can it fall? Break into dry. Not too much, don't overtreat. Think silk, not muscle, let it flow. That's how you make a tender crumb, you know. Pour it in the pan, tap once slow. 40 to 45, let it glow. Golden top, springy touch. This cake don't need too much. Hey! Now listen, it's the game changer. Canada Dry ginger, oh, 1 bag smooth, honey oat maple, no fail. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, warm it light. Do not boil, just treat it right. Poke those holes while the cake's still warm. Slowly spoon it, let it transform. Soak it in, let happiness cloud. This is where the flavor gets loud. Tight. Now listen, this is the game changer. 1/2 cup Canada Dry ginger, oh, 1 tablespoon honey or maple, no fail. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, warm it light. Do not boil, just treat it right. Poke those holes while the cake's still warm. Slowly spoon it, let it transform. Soak it in, let happiness cloud. This is where the flavor gets loud. Tight. Serve it warm with berries dry. Citrus salad, fresh delight. Or plain standing on its own. When it's made with care, it shows. Gen Z, it glows. Gen Z, little ginger can help you sleep. Pour love in what you do today. Let patience rise, let joy stay. You're golden, even when you whisper. Just like this cake, soft, strong, and unforgettable. When
Try my Golden Whisper Ginger Cloud Cake. See you next time, family. Stay safe.